observing all of those and understanding, yes, this is who I am. This is how I'm acting. This is my self-image. But now I know that I am well beyond that self-image. I'm going to see it. And with that insight, once for all, I'm going to wipe it out. If that is wiped out, then you're no different than a flower on a tree, blossoming, living. You're no different than a bird in the sky, flying freely. No thoughts involved. It's just life flowing. But there's a huge awareness and there's a huge intelligence that are one and only, that are life, they're flowing through you.